Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So you might heard of Envato Elements and their content bonus. So the content bonus was a nice thing on Envato Elements because they simply gave out a bonus for you by saying that, hey, you are active on our marketplace, you upload content regularly to Envato Elements. Because of this, let us repay you with a small bonus. So this is my earning from 1st of May to 21st of May, so 21 days, and here you can see daily earnings, item earnings for this month, $22, and content bonus, which I was eligible for, is a percentage of this sum. So these numbers can seem low, but keep in mind that I have only 6 plugins added to Envato Elements, while on CodeCanyon I have 118, I suppose. But yeah, I have 118 plugins added on CodeCanyon. I will link them in this video's description. So yeah, the content bonus was a nice thing to have, especially if you had hundreds or thousands of assets and items uploaded to Envato Elements and you benefited from nice thousands of dollars of earnings. And in this case, the content bonus was also much larger than in my case. But unfortunately, Envato Elements announced that they will not be continuing the content bonus starting from 31st of July 2022. So this is the last day when you will be able to earn this content bonus, and starting from then Envato Elements will not give away this content bonus. So 2022, I guess, was also a hard year for Envato, and because of this they discontinued this content bonus stuff, and they will stick only to the item earnings payouts to Envato Elements authors. So I will make also another video next time with the total earnings from Envato Elements, because I will show you details about how much I earned in the last year from Elements, from these 6 plugins that I uploaded. And all I have to show you today is how Envato Elements content bonus was working. So if you uploaded at least this amount of stock videos in the 19 days period, you were eligible for the content bonus. But for WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, web templates and others, it was enough to upload only one item in a 365-day period. So if you uploaded a single WordPress plugin or a single WordPress theme per year, you were eligible for the content bonus for one whole year. So this was really nice in my case because I uploaded only these 6 plugins, and I have the content bonus from let me show you. Yeah, here it is. It's until 23rd of August 2022. So this is the content bonus that I will be getting. However, I will be getting it only until 31st of July, because from there on it will be discontinued. So let me show you also how it was calculated, because this is how you would be eligible for the content bonus on Envato Elements. And you can see that you had periods when you were not eligible, and here you uploaded some files in case you had to upload many stock videos, for example, and to become eligible. So the green is the period when you were eligible for the content bonus, and the calculation method is a pretty much not sure about this, because they don't give away exact numbers. It's a bit of percentage like, but it's not always a fixed amount. So it was varying between month and month. So Sometimes it was a bit larger, sometimes it was a bit lower, but I will show details in an upcoming video where I will show you details about my Elements earnings for these 6 plugins I have on Envato Elements. So yeah, this is everything I have to say about content bonus on Elements. They would be, so it would be you would be eligible if you upload a number of files in a period, in a number of days, and starting from this year, 1st of August or 21st of July 2022, they will not give out content bonus anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you learned something, especially if you were planning to join Envato Elements and to start selling it there, and you were wondering what will happen to this content bonus feature that you would have gotten if you would have signed up earlier, but unfortunately it will be discontinued. So yeah, I will leave also a link to Envato Elements if you want to subscribe to Envato Elements to download unlimited files and videos and audio and WordPress plugins for a subscription. You will get a 7 days free subscription period, free trial period, using the link from this video's description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is all for today. Please subscribe, share and like. Until next time, bye bye.